Most gardeners treat August as the month to stop planting and start watering. For the ground covers on this list, that's exactly wrong. August is prime time for replacing lawn with perennials that actually want warm soil for root establishment. The kind of plants that spread fast, suppress weeds, and never need mowing. Plant them now, in August, and they'll root into soil that's already warm. By next spring, you'll have a living carpet that outperforms grass in every way that matters.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Creeping thyme. Most lawns require weekly mowing. Creeping thyme requires none. Growing just 2 to 4 inches tall, it forms a dense carpet-like mat of tiny green foliage that releases a lovely herbal scent when stepped on. In summer, it produces abundant small flowers, ranging from pink to purple, turning your former lawn into a pollinator magnet that looks like something from a cottage garden rather than a suburban yard. It tolerates light foot traffic, thrives in poor soil where grass struggles, and requires virtually no maintenance once established. The fragrance alone makes it worth planting. Brush against it and the whole garden smells like a Mediterranean hillside. Full sun, well-drained soil. Hardy from zones 2 through 9. Plant it in August, and by next summer you'll have a fragrant, flowering carpet that never needs mowing and gets better every year. Number 2. Creeping mazus. Creeping mazus is the lawn alternative you probably haven't heard of, but should. This Himalayan native forms a low, dense mat of serrated foliage, usually no more than 2 inches tall, that suppresses weeds and can be freely walked on. In spring and summer, it produces a blanket of tubular purple or white flowers so dense that the foliage practically disappears beneath the bloom. It spreads by rooting stems and fills in gaps faster than almost any other ground cover on this list. Once established, it creates a uniform carpet that looks manicured without any effort on your part. Thrives in zones 5 through 9 in either full sun or partial shade. It does require consistently moist soil and a bit of compost to get started. For a walkable, flowering lawn alternative that looks like something from a botanical garden, Creeping mazus delivers. Number 3. Sedum angelina. Sedums are the definition of carefree ground covers. They laugh at drought while grass goes brown. Angelina forms a low, spreading mat of needle-like foliage that starts bright chartreuse in spring, deepens to golden yellow in summer, and turns rich orange bronze in autumn, delivering year-round colour that no lawn can match. In late summer, clusters of starry yellow flowers rise above the foliage, attracting butterflies by the dozens. The thick, fleshy leaves store water, eliminating the need for irrigation once established. It thrives in poor, rocky soils where grass fails completely. Plant it on a slope and it will stabilise the soil while looking spectacular. Full sun, well-draining soil, hardy zones 3 through 9. For a drought-proof lawn replacement that delivers colour in every season, Sedum is unmatched. Number 4. Liriope spicata. Liriope is the grass-like ground cover that doesn't care about your soil conditions. It forms dense clumps of thick, grass-like foliage that stays evergreen through winter, creating a green carpet year-round. Most varieties produce small blue, pale violet, or off-white flowers in late summer that add a subtle but welcome colour dimension to the foliage. Full sun, shade, dry or moist soil, Liriope handles it all, as long as the roots aren't left soggy. Choose Liriope spicata for the fastest spread as a lawn alternative. It's drought-tolerant once established and effectively smothers weeds. Thrives in zones 4 through 10. For a low-maintenance lawn replacement that looks like grass but acts nothing like it, no mowing, no fertilizing, no watering, Liriope is the workhorse. Number 5. Ajuga reptans. Ajuga solves the problem that grass can't, growing under trees. This shade-loving ground cover forms a dense mat of glossy, often colourful foliage that effectively smothers weeds while creating visual interest year-round. Varieties like chocolate chip offer burgundy foliage, while burgundy glow features tricolour leaves with pink, white and green variation. In spring, spikes of brilliant blue flowers rise above the leaves like miniature exclamation points. It spreads readily by runners and fills in bare spots quickly. Once established, it's remarkably drought-tolerant and requires almost no maintenance beyond occasionally trimming back wayward runners. Partial to full shade, well-drained soil. Hardy zones 3 through 10. For those tricky spots under trees where grass refuses to grow, Ajuga is the solution you've been looking for. Number 6. Microclover. Microclover is the modern lawn alternative that looks like traditional turf but behaves nothing like it. It covers the ground with rich green leaves, remains relatively low at 4 to 6 inches, and blends beautifully into existing lawn areas. Unlike standard clover, it stays compact and doesn't create the patchy, uneven look that gives clover a bad reputation in suburban yards. The real advantage is nitrogen fixation. Microclover pulls nitrogen from the atmosphere and fertilizes the soil naturally, reducing or eliminating the need for chemical inputs. It stays green through drought when turf goes brown and requires minimal mowing. Hardy in zones 2 through 9, full sun to light shade. For a lawn that stays green with almost no work, microclover is the smartest choice on this list. Number 7. Dwarf mondo grass. Dwarf mondo grass is the ultimate low-growing lawn substitute for those who want a grass-like look without the grass-like maintenance. Growing just 3 to 4 inches tall, it forms a dense, dark green carpet that tolerates varying amounts of foot traffic. Unlike traditional turf, it never needs mowing and stays evergreen in mild climates through winter. The dark, almost black-green foliage creates a polished, refined look that elevates any landscape. It thrives in partial shade to full sun and prefers well-drained soil. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and spreads slowly into a lush, uniform carpet that suppresses weeds effectively. Hardy zones 6 through 10. For a refined, no-mow lawn alternative that looks polished year-round, dwarf mondo grass is the definition of low-maintenance elegance. Those are 7 ground covers to plant this August, not despite the fact that it's late summer, but because it's late summer. Plant them now, and by next spring you'll have a living carpet that never needs mowing, rarely needs watering, and outperforms grass in every way that matters. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.